If I had a zero knowledge, no experience, no skills, and I had to choose a career from scratch, I would still choose AI. Not because it's trending and not because everyone is talking about it. Because AI is the future, the same revolution the internet created 25 years ago. AI is creating that revolution today. In this video, I'm sharing a complete AI crash course specially designed for beginners, covering tools, fundamentals, and practical applications all in one place. And the best part, it's completely free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This video is especially for those who don't have a fancy degree, tech or non tech, any kind of, who don't have any experience, and who don't have a strong network. But they do have one powerful skill, the willingness to work hard. If you are ready to work hard, then trust me, the AI field is full of opportunities. The real problem is not effort, the real problem is direction. Most people don't know where to start, what to learn, and how far to go, and that's exactly what we will fix today. There are career plans in AI. When it comes to building a career in AI, there are three main paths. You can either get a job in the AI field, you can freelance using AI skills, or you can build your own AI business based on your AI skills. So, no matter which path you choose, by the end of this video, you will know which path suits you the best and how to move forward with clarity. What we'll cover today, we'll start with AI basics, then move into which AI tools you should start using, how to use AI in your day-to-day work, and how to write effective prompts, and how to shape your career using AI. AI is already part of your life. AI is not something new. We are already using it every day. Let's see your Netflix recommendations. Movies based on your taste. YouTube suggestions, videos you see, they are likely which you have already watched. And Amazon follows you with your ads for products you viewed. All this happens because AI is integrated into these platforms. And apart from this, we also have standalone AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Dell-E, Sora, Midjourney, and many more. So these are AI models trained on massive amounts of data that generate outputs based on your inputs. So types of AI tools, if we talk about, there are three main types of AI. Number one is standalone AI. You give a prompt and you get an output. Simple, direct, and powerful. Number two is integrated AI. AI working behind applications like Instagram, YouTube, and Amazon. Number three is custom AI. AI built for a specific task like fraud detection in online payments. Coming next to what is machine learning. Machine learning means giving machines the ability to learn from data. Just like how we teach a child repetition. For example, Gmail is filtering the spam emails and Spotify is recommending playlists. Google Photos recognizing faces. Machine learning is a core part of artificial intelligence. Deep learning goes one level deeper and uses neural networks similar to the human brains. For example, your face unlocks on smartphones and Alexa understanding voice commands. Google Translate translating languages. Two important areas of deep learning, NLP, which is natural language processing, and computer vision, that is used in self-driving cars. The two most important AI types today, number one is generative AI, used for creating text, images, videos, and codes. For example, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, AI agents like AI that doesn't just generate but acts. AI agents can send emails, can generate reports, can build and deploy websites, handle customer supports. And this is where massive future demand lies. So now what AI tools you should know? Before choosing any tool, ask yourself what to do every day. Which task can AI simplifies? For example, data analysis, ChatGPT, Gemini. Going for research, then Perplexity. Going for a website app building, then is Lovable. And if you're going for an image generation, then Gemini AI. Then video editing is Veo and Sora. You must know tools for everyone. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, your Notebook LM, and Mansic. You can start learning for free on our channel, then slowly implement AI into your career. So coming next to the prompt engineering, which is a very important part. AI tools are only powerful if you know how to communicate with them. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Use RCAF framework. Now, what is RCAF? Here, R stands for role, C is for context, A stands for ask, and F stands for format. This framework alone can dramatically improve your results. If you want a complete prompt engineering course, then comment yes into this video. If you are a beginner and things feel confusing, it's a normal part. Everyone struggles at the start, even experts. So what matter most is consistency. Real success comes from doing the same boring thing every single day. Learning AI might feel boring at first, but when it increases your salary, gets you a new job, or help you to start your own business, AI will feel completely worth it. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.